This oil is specially made for my patients who suffer from pain anywhere in the body.
Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma, and to make this wonderful pain relief oil we'll be using extra virgin olive oil. You can use pomace oil or any other cheap cooking oils, but the results won't be as good as with extra virgin olive oil. In this extra virgin olive oil, we will be adding wild turmeric powder. You can again add any turmeric powder that you find in the market, but the best results are with the wild turmeric powder, especially which is stone ground. Once you have measured out your turmeric powder, just take a pan and put some water in it. You don't need to boil the water, just let it simmer over low heat and put your extra virgin olive oil in it. Now add the turmeric that we just weighed out. Now we have to basically keep the flame very low, okay? If we boil it, we will spoil all the active ingredients in the turmeric, which are curcuminoids. The very many beauty benefits and the health benefits of turmeric are because of these curcuminoids, so we don't want to spoil them. In this video, I'll be showing how to make a pain relief oil from this turmeric oil. In the subsequent videos, I'll show you how to make a body butter out of this turmeric oil that will be beneficial for whitening every part of your body. To make sure you don't miss that video, do subscribe to our channel. Anyway, you have to keep this oil in the hot water for about 2 hours. Then you can take it off and let it cool, remove the cover, and now we will add some vitamin E oil in it. The vitamin E oil basically will act as a preservative also when we'll be using this turmeric oil for the body butter. It will also help in the beauty benefits. Just make sure that the vitamin E oil you are using is not synthetic vitamin E like Evian. Make sure it is tocopherol, which is more bioavailable because it is the natural form of vitamin E. Anyway, keep it in a colored glass bottle. If you keep it in a plastic bottle, the vitamin E will leach out all the toxic ingredients in the plastic. So make sure it is a colored bottle, or keep your transparent glass bottle in a dark place. Label it as turmeric oil because we will be using this turmeric oil in a load of things, okay? Today I'll be teaching how to make a pain oil out of this. I'll be adding everything that is scientifically proven to reduce pain, okay, and which is easily available at your home. First of all, I am adding a bit of cloves. I will just grind these cloves and add to my oil. All of these ingredients are basically found in every kitchen, okay? At the end of the video, I will also tell you another star ingredient which is very helpful in reducing the pain. But I am not adding that star ingredient in this preparation just because it is not usually available to everyone. But I will let you know at the end of the video what that star ingredient is. Anyway, we will add our ground cloves and the rest of the turmeric oil that we have, that is about 200 ml, and again we will heat it up, not boil it, just heating it in on hot water for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, we will let it cool down. In the meanwhile, we will put some camphor in the container that we intend to put our pain oil in. Okay, we will not heat the camphor. Basically, camphor burns when heated, so we will add it to the container. Along with the camphor, we will also add some saffron. Now this tiny amount of saffron cost me about 500 rupees, so it is one of the very expensive ingredients that we are adding in this oil. But remember, your pain oil is gonna be as good as the quality of your products. Otherwise, you will have to eat the painkillers that are store bought that cause acidity and heartburn and a load of other side effects. To prevent your precious oil from going rancid, keep it in a dark glass bottle. To apply it, it is very easy to apply it. Just apply it to the affected area, wrap it up in the bandage, leave it for overnight, and in the morning your pain will be gone away. All of these ingredients are natural, they are safe, they are time tested and research proven. The only other ingredient that you can add to this powerful oil is the CBD oil. If you find the CBD oil, well and good, you can add it to your pain relief oil and it will work wonders. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below if you made this oil and whom did you make it for. Did you make it for your mom or your dad or your grandpa, and how happy they were when you massaged their aching legs with this wonderful oil. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.